Alright guys, so this is my tutorial on using Screencast. Um, I am on ELC for my for our session guide, and so what I've done is I went ahead and I watched the tutorial for recording a screencast, and then I have watched how to upload. It's just not highlighted for some reason. But I watched how to upload a screencast to YouTube. I also signed into our YouTube channel just to see what other people have uploaded and how they did their tutorial because I wanted to make sure that there was nothing special that needed to be done. Um, so, yeah, I'm going to upload this as my practice, and then I'll actually do my introduction, my student introduction screencast.